This product contains a combination of aspirin and an antacid, such as calcium carbonate, aluminum hydroxide, or magnesium oxide. The antacid helps reduce heartburn and upset stomach that aspirin may cause. Aspirin is used to reduce fever and relieve mild to moderate pain from conditions such as muscle aches, toothaches, common cold, and headaches. It may also be used to reduce pain and swelling in conditions such as arthritis. Aspirin is known as a salicylate and a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. It works by blocking a certain natural substance in your body to reduce pain and swelling. Consult your doctor before treating a child younger than 12 years. Your doctor may direct you to take a low dose of aspirin to prevent blood clots, reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. If you have recently had surgery on clogged arteries, such as bypass surgery, carotid endarterectomy, or coronary stent, your doctor may direct you to use aspirin in low doses as a blood thinner to prevent blood clots. When taking Bufferin for self-treatment, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Take Bufferin by mouth with a full glass of water, unless otherwise directed by your doctor. It's recommended to wait at least 10 minutes before lying down after taking the medication. If you experience stomach upset, you can take Bufferin with food or milk. The antacid in Bufferin may interact with other medications, so it's important to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist to schedule your medications to prevent any problems. The dosage and length of treatment will be based on your medical condition and response to the treatment. Be sure to read the product label for recommendations on the maximum number of tablets to take in a 24-hour period and how long to self-treat before seeking medical advice. Always use the smallest effective dose and consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. If you are taking Bufferin for headache relief, seek medical help immediately if you experience trouble speaking, weakness on one side of the body, or sudden vision changes. It's also important to consult a doctor or pharmacist if your headaches are caused by head injury, coughing, bending, or if you have a severe or persistent headache with vomiting, fever, and stiff neck. Remember that pain medications work best when used as the first signs of pain occur. Avoid waiting until the pain has worsened, as the medicine may not work as effectively. Bufferin should not be used for self-treatment of pain for longer than 10 days or to self-treat a fever that lasts longer than 3 days. Seek medical advice if your condition persists or worsens, or if you develop ringing in the ears or difficulty hearing. And if you think you may have a serious medical problem, be sure to tell your doctor promptly. If you experience upset stomach or heartburn, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using Bufferin do not experience serious side effects. Some serious side effects to watch out for include severe nausea or vomiting, easy bruising or bleeding, difficulty hearing, signs of kidney problems, unexplained tiredness, dizziness, dark urine, or yellowing of the eyes or skin. Bufferin may also rarely cause serious bleeding from the stomach or other areas of the body. If you notice severe stomach or abdominal pain, black or tarry stools, vomiting that looks like coffee grounds, trouble speaking, weakness on one side of the body, sudden vision changes, or a severe headache, seek medical help immediately. While a serious allergic reaction to Bufferin is rare, you should still seek immediate medical help if you experience symptoms such as fever, swollen lymph nodes, rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Before taking Bufferin, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies, especially to aspirin or other pain relievers. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have any health problems such as bleeding disorders, kidney disease, liver disease, stomach problems, asthma, nasal polyps, gout, or certain enzyme deficiencies, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using Bufferin. Daily use of alcohol and tobacco, especially when combined with this product, may increase your risk for stomach bleeding. It's important to limit alcoholic beverages and stop smoking. If you plan to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Children and teenagers less than 18 years old should not take aspirin if they have chickenpox, flu, or any undiagnosed illness, or if they have recently received a vaccine. In these cases, taking aspirin increases the risk of a rare but serious illness called Reye syndrome. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially stomach/intestinal bleeding and ulcers. Aspirin is not recommended for use to treat pain or fever during pregnancy. Women of childbearing age should talk with their doctor about the benefits and risks before using this medication. Aspirin passes into breast milk, and using it in large amounts may harm a nursing infant, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking Bufferin, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Bufferin may interact with medications such as acetazolamide, blood thinners, such as warfarin, heparin, corticosteroids, such as prednisone, and herbal medications like ginkgo biloba. Before using Bufferin, consult your doctor if you have recently received certain live vaccines, such as the varicella vaccine or live flu vaccine. Be sure to check all prescription and non-prescription medicine labels carefully, as many medications contain pain relievers/fever reducers known as NSAIDs, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen, naproxen. To prevent an overdose of aspirin, read the labels carefully before taking other pain relievers or cold products to make sure they do not contain aspirin. Daily use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen may also decrease aspirin's ability to prevent heart attack/stroke. If you are taking low-dose aspirin for prevention of heart attack/stroke, consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Additionally, Bufferin may interfere with certain lab tests, so make sure lab personnel and all your doctors know you use this drug. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. If the symptoms are not life-threatening, contact your local poison control center right away. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, contact a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include burning pain in the throat or stomach, confusion, changes in mental or mood, fainting, weakness, ringing in the ears, fever, rapid breathing, changes in urine output, seizures, or loss of consciousness. If you take Bufferin regularly or in high doses, your doctor may want to do some medical tests to check how your liver and kidneys are working, as well as your blood count and salicylate levels. It's important to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. There are many different types of aspirin products, some have special coatings and some last longer in your body. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist which product is best for you. If your doctor has prescribed Bufferin for you to take regularly, make sure to take it as directed. If you happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Bufferin at room temperature, away from moisture and light. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and do not use any aspirin product that has a strong vinegar-like smell. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding Bufferin, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly dispose of this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.